To head back to Montego Bay to join Marlene Stevenson-Daly at Proactive Lifestyle. Hi, Marlene.
Yeah, Marlene is taking over.
Hi, hi. How are you? I love this store. Health, wellness, beauty. If those are some of the things that are on your mind at this time of the year, then this is the place to be. Proactive Lifestyle. As we rock with you for Black Friday Frenzy. Let me see if I can come on over here, girl. Customer service rep from Proactive Lifestyle. She is Janice Neal. Janice, how you do?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. How are you doing today?
I am well, and I'm happy to be here.
Okay, happy to have you.
Yes. Now, tell me a little bit about Proactive Lifestyle. What are some of the things that you specialize in?
Well, as you know, we are Proactive Lifestyle, and we deal with like wellness and beauty, and we offer products like for muscle building, for testosterone booster. We also have cleaners if you want to get a colon cleanse, your liver cleanse, or weight loss. Yes, that is important. You can get that here at Proactive Lifestyle. We also have products for inflammation, like for rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and all of those stuff. We also, for beauty, we have collagen, we have cleansers, and we also have toners.
Well, you have a range of things which relate to health, wellness, and beauty. How long have you been here in Montego Bay at this store?
Well, we have been here over 8 years now. And we also having a discount today up to the end of this month, November. So we want our valued customers to come on in and get their products, get their discounts to show how much we appreciate them. And person who have never been to Proactive Lifestyle, we want to welcome you all. We have free advice for all of you who want to start a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
We are here to help you.
Yeah.
So you come on down.
All right, so 15% discount all the way until the end of November as part of our Black Friday Frenzy promotion. Now, you know, I walked through the aisles and I saw things for sexual health, and I know sometimes that's an area at this time of year that there's a high demand for products. Sure. Tell me a little bit about some of the products on that shelf.
Well, we have Tonkat Ali, and we have Maca. We also have tribulus, and those will help with endurance. It helps you to focus, it give energy, give it.
Craigie, I hope you know these bush and these herbs that she's talking about, you know. Go ahead, tell me more.
Yes, so those will help you to perform longer, give you energy, and as I said, it helps you to focus and build the sperm count as well.
All right, that's quite interesting. How many stores do you have island-wide?
Well, we have 5 branches. We have one in Tropical Plaza, which is in Kingston, one in Ochires behind Burger King Plaza, and we also have one in Mandeville and also Portmore, and of course, Montego Bay.
And for those persons who don't know where to find Proactive Lifestyle here in Montego Bay, because you're kind of tucked into a little corner, right? Tell us how to get there.
Well, you can just come on out to Fairview. You can come across right from Texaco gas station that is next to Maxi department store, and you guys will find us. And if you cannot find us, you can contact us at 620-5040, and we will provide you more information as to reach us.
Okay, say that number again.
620-5040.
620-5040. All right, I wonder if we can find somebody who is shopping who could probably just give us a quick word and tell us why it is they enjoy shopping here at Proactive Lifestyle. You know, there's just so many things on the shelves, and the funny thing is that I'm here in Montego Bay, and, you know, the stores, the shoppers are shy. And I didn't know that there was such a wide range of goods and products and even services in the store, because I do believe you did say free advice, yes, but you offer things like the foot check, where you can check to see how healthy you are, those kinds of things.
Yeah, we offer this service is foot detox, but because of COVID at this point we're not doing that service, but okay, we have other stuff that you can use to get rid of toxin. And we have a product that is called the cleaner, which is concentrated on the colon, the liver, the skin, liver, and kidneys. And that's for 7 days. So the food detox is not available right now, but we have other products that can do this.
That can do the same job. All right, so what do you say to persons who are watching us at this time. There's a gentleman around the back who looks like he wants to say something, you know. He says, no, he's scared. What do you say to persons, especially, you know, coming up to this time of year where people tend to eat all kinds of everything, and then, you know, you need to kind of just cleanse the self, not true? What do you say to those persons who are watching at this time in terms of just what you have to offer here at Proactive Lifestyle?
All right, at this time of the year, you know, people tend to eat a lot of sugary stuff, fat, and all of those stuff. So, would encourage them, if they do all of that, they can come and they can get a cleanse. And if they want to lose that extra fat that they have gained, we have product also that will do that for them.
Thank you so much, Janice Neal, our customer service rep here at Proactive Lifestyle. It's all about health, wellness, beauty, and you owe it to yourself. I saw some fabulous products on the shelves that I know I'm personally going to take advantage of the 15% discount today. And we just invite persons to come on down, be a part of it. You heard the locations, there are 5 of them: Mandeville, Portmore, Kingston, and of course in Ocherius and here in Montego Bay. Craigie T, you can come and get your strong back and all of that, and you know where to go. All right, over to you in studio.
Yeah, we're ready for it. You know, as a person in the media, you know, you have to pay specific attention to your performance.
Yeah, and that's how I'm
So
saying.
because you're so interested in your performance, now you need to get
you have to be alert.
alert.
You have to be able to work long hours.
And you have to always be up to the task.
And sometimes you have to work whole beyond hours. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you have multiple sets.
Multiple sets. Multiple, you know.
You
the rounds
understand?
of
You
the
say you have to
sets
move from one studio to the next. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah,
no, man, but it's a serious thing. Like I noticed that we've been, especially since last year, since COVID and everything, we've been talking a lot about mental health.
Right.
But you know, there are other types of health that we need to pay attention to.
Yes, that sometimes, you know, that health help with the mental health.
True.
Yeah,
Because
yes.
if you're not healthy, that's so.
Yeah. It's servicing the entire body,
Yeah.
the entire being. You understand?
I noticed Marlene, when Marlene going those aisles though, you know, she stay a little bit longer. She stay a little bit longer on that topic.
Listen to me.
So I know, so she have a couple of them in her card.
Listen,
I carry check out.
Listen, gentlemen, listen to what your woman is not saying.
Yeah.
You understand? It's if every day she's saying, listen to me, go down to Proactive and pick up one of those bottles, and she say it Monday, she say it Tuesday, she say it Wednesday, she say it Thursday. And you are like, me no want. She's telling you something, sir.
Yeah.
You understand what I am saying?
Perhaps she's telling you, as a gentleman, that it's not all the time you must be gentle. Sometimes you must just be the man. Okay, so please remember everybody to check
Like
on
normally,
your love.
it's normally I'm me still, you know. Like normally I'm me, but Craigie, you're easily.
No, let me tell you what's happening.
What happened to you?
I just feel like talk today. Sometimes.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I just feel like.
You have to just start.
All right, like look at all Thanksgiving now. You look on Thanksgiving. Everybody yesterday was happy Thanksgiving this. But like,
Why should we?
should Jamaicans
Why?
celebrate Thanksgiving?
Why? It's not ours.
I mean, we give thanks every day.
I've always heard. Probably you've heard the saying too. And saying America sneeze, Jamaica catch cold.
No, but
Yeah.
So what the producer is asking is if Jamaicans at home must celebrate Thanksgiving.
Jamaicans out here celebrate.
It don't make no sense to me. People
Why?
do it, but it don't make no sense to me. But me, it don't make no sense to me if you're there a foreigner and not celebrate it neither. I mean, you get the holiday, so you can't eat a food. Because the food.
So you take the, you take the holiday.
So might
but
as
are you
well just eat
celebrating
a
it?
food. But
Do they even understand what Thanksgiving is?
then of that. It's greed, but them is hidden in plain sight, you know. It's a holiday to celebrate greed.
Yeah, Thanksgiving isn't for us. But listen to me, I think it's more of the festivities. Probably the festivities we in at the red.
Yeah.
It's like, what? Holiday? Big link up, food?
Yeah.
Are we that man, Jamaica?
Yeah, man. And we'll have boss over who have the biggest Thanksgiving
You
dinner and all
just
them things.
you just say, my house, this weekend, music, food,
Yeah.
niceness. We could call it Thanksgiving.
Yeah, we just give
Thanksgiving
thanks.
Saturdays. Every Saturday. You know, go over Thanksgiving at Craigie. Every
We just
Saturday
give
them
thanks.
over there. You understand? Big chicken, whole pot chicken and something.
Yeah, man, chicken and turkey and... Hey, bro,
Yes,
on a
I know
different
exactly
note.
what you're going to say.
What?
Them huge.
You ever see a turkey? Turkey and a normal. Like how you look for that and decide to eat it. Hey, turkey and a regular something, brother.
Brother, hold on. When it's dead, an adult turkey,
Yeah.
when you cook it and then put it on the table, it's not a normal size.
remember
When
the
it's alive, you know, brother, one whole different something. You know.
I remember the first time somebody, as a youth,
Yeah.
as a picnic, and somebody said, this is a turkey leg.
Yeah.
I want to say, yeah.
The turkey.
like,
All right.
be like, bam, bam.
Like out here, when you if you're supposed to get a turkey leg, like a real turkey leg, at the family size, size leg you
And
get,
true,
you can
everybody
take
knows
piece
it.
for you and piece for your daddy and piece for your
That's
mommy
why we
and
end up
piece-
only get the neck, because them know so we love create too much excitement.
No,
so they
man,
just give it the
if
neck.
I,
So
hold
work
on.
with the neck.
If I turkey neck alone so much, just imagine the rest of the turkey. No, man, a turkey leg, I see you
No,
something.
man, the
Man.
first time I see a turkey, man, it's not a play.
I have never heard
huge
somebody.
bird.
I've never heard somebody say them buy a turkey for themselves.
Wait until the day when you see an ostrich.
I have.
Bro,
And also, yeah, I've seen one.
Bro.
Taller. Listen to me. Do not frighten it.
no, yeah, man. Them somebody will kick you down, man.
No, if it kick you, it can disembowel you. Like kick.
Everybody,
kick that.
please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Yeah, we'll be back on Tuesday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. Stay safe this weekend. Wash your hands, mask up, keep your distance as much as possible. Corona still a keep, and be safe on the roads, because I know everybody's going to be doing them shopping. Just be careful, be very, very careful, and be mindful of other drivers. Because when the driver, them, like the madness start already.
Yeah, I show man, I see them.
Anyway, Tuesday, we're out. Have a good